What's up, y'all? I'm going to show you can make this little sticker looking procreate with the white border, and you can do that with any image. I'm going to delete this image, we don't need it. So I'm going to choose, let's do the little cat creature first and show you how this is done. So get your image, I'm going to size it up a little bit, and now I have my image about the size I want it to be. I'm going to duplicate it by swiping to the left and press duplicate. On the bottom of those layers, I'm going to tap it once and choose alpha lock. Make sure you have the white color selected, because if you want that for your border or whatever color you're going for, I'll just choose white and have that selected, ready to go. Now I'm going to press color fill. That's going to fill this bottom layer entirely with white. So now that's good, that's how we want it. So I can tap it again and take off the alpha lock by tapping it once more. Now under the magic wand tool, I'm going to select it and press Gaussian blur. And then you're going to use your thumb and slide over to the right until you get this little halo looking thing going on there. Anywhere from like 10 to like 20 will be fine. That's 17, sure, let's do that. So we're going to tap out of this so it's applied to it. And now I want to use our selection tool with that same layer. So press that little S looking icon for the selection tool. You want to have automatic selected and then color fill selected. I'm going to tap on the little cat looking creature guy once, and with my thumb I'm going to slide over a little bit until I start seeing that white border, the gradient start to turn to like a solid color. So I'm going to keep going. You can easily overdo this by accident. It's okay, you can undo it, do it again. But now you can see this glowy looking border is now a solid white color. So again, like how large you have that initial gradient will affect how this kind of looks overall. I'll just select that as is, sure. And now I'm happy with that. I can pinch these together and merge them into one layer. So now I have my little sticker looking thing. I'll do that one more time. And we'll do this with this little character guy here. So I'm gonna duplicate it, bottom layer, alpha lock, tap it again, color fill, fill layer. Tap it again, turn off the alpha lock, Gaussian blur, drag it over. I'll do 27, making it really exaggerated. And then selection tool, automatic color fill, tap it once. And it's already pretty large, so I can I don't really need it bigger than that, but that's fine. Sure. So I'll select it, merge it down. So now I have two sticker looking images there. So if you wanted to, you can take this into a different application or a service and print these out as stickers. But fun little tool for you to use and trick for you to use in Procreate. Hopefully you enjoy and learn something new. All right, y'all.